Saudi Arabia has asked the United States to show restraint in responding to attacks by Yemen's Houthis against ships in the Red Sea, two sources familiar with Saudi thinking said, as Riyadh seeks to contain spillover from the Hamas-Israel war. The Houthis, who support Iran, have entered the battle that has erupted across the Middle East since it began on October 7. They have been assaulting ships in crucial shipping routes and launching missiles and drones at Israel. The faction that controls a large portion of Yemen claims that its strikes are an expression of solidarity with the Palestinians and has promised to keep going until Israel ends its campaign in the Gaza Strip, which is located more than 1,000 miles from their capital of Sana'a. Since the war began on October 7 when their Palestinian ally Hamas attacked Israel, the Houthis are one of the several factions in the Iran-aligned Axis of Resistance that have been attacking targets in Israel and the US. Due to their involvement, the conflict now poses a greater risk to regional stability. States on the Red Water are concerned as Houthi drones and missiles are flying towards Israel, endangering the water routes that carry a large portion of the world's oil. The world's largest oil exporter, Saudi Arabia, has been alarmed by the Houthi missiles fired over its territory. Focused on expanding and diversifying the Saudi economy, Riyadh this year normalized ties with Tehran and is seeking to exit the war it has been waging with the Houthis in Yemen for nearly 9 years. The sources said Saudi Arabia was seeking to advance the Yemen peace process even as war rages in Gaza, worrying it could be derailed. Yemen has enjoyed more than a year of relative calm amid direct peace talks between Saudi and Houthi officials. The Houthi attacks during the Hamas-Israel war have elevated the profile in the Iran-aligned camp, which also includes Hamas, Lebanon's Hezbollah, and Iran-backed militias in Iraq. The Houthis have emerged as a major military force in the Arabian Peninsula with tens of thousands of fighters and a huge arsenal of ballistic missiles and armed drones.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.